Hi friend, welcome. I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. I am Maria Hendershot and the founder of the Joyful Reinvention. I am so excited about this work. I, for years, have been helping and mentoring homeschool moms, and I will always have a place in my heart for homeschool moms. So if that is you and you need help learning how to homeschool, encouragement to keep homeschooling, or how to do high school or transcripts, I am there for you. But in all of my years of working with homeschool moms, something that I kept seeing from all moms, not just the homeschool moms, and myself, is this general exhaustion and burnout and not knowing how to connect with themselves again. Moms not knowing how to connect with themselves, feeling a little bit disconnected, exhausted. And I just want to bring joy back, because joy is accessible to everyone at any time, even in the chaos. It may not seem like it, and I want to share the tools on how we can do that. So that is what my mission is to help bring joy back to moms, and so that they can step into their purpose again, live with intention again, and just feel the joy of their work. I have created something I call the Joy Wheel, and it is basically separating the different kinds of wellness into 5 segments. I have whole self wellness, which includes movement and nourishment, and it includes rest, it includes nervous system regulation. We've got emotional regulation and mindset. We have connections, so our relationships. We have dreaming, creativity, and purpose, passion and purpose, or aligned purpose is what I call it on my wheel. And that is being able to dream again, connecting with what your purpose is, connecting to a purpose that is higher than yourself and being part of that. Which, as moms, we experience that every day, but sometimes we just get lost in the mundane and we forget why we're doing it. And so I'm helping moms reconnect with that why, that purpose. And then we have our our structural systems and just that help us keep everything going. So that is our habits and our time management and finances and things like that. So what we do together is we find the entry point of where you're feeling stuck, where you're feeling like you're just not making movement like you would be, or maybe there's some dread there or some anxiousness around something, and we figure out together where that energy is being drained or zapped. And that's where we start, and we do it in 90-day increments, so we're just focusing on one thing at a time. So I'm here to give you different tips and whatnot. I love coaching. I love the people I coach. All the social media thing is just a little scary. So here I am starting this, and it's going to be a great journey, and we are going to experience joy together. So I will see you together as we go forward.